Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's MAKIA Forex, and today we are doing our Usdjpy analysis. That's for Tuesday the 20th of May. So we can see that Usdjpy has been on a bearish trend that's since January this year, and you can clearly see that market is also going back to the bearish direction after it bought for 3 weeks straight. We'll begin with the weekly time frame. From there we'll go to the daily, 4 hour and 1 hour. I think I'll end the 1 hour time frame. So you can see that since the 19th of May, market entered this strong buying zone. This area, you can clearly see that this area, it's a bullish order block from what happened over here. And when price entered this order block, market bought for 3 weeks straight until it went and tested back this fair value gap. So you can see that between this area, that's this candle, and this candle, there is a fair value gap around here like that. Over here we're in a bearish trend. That's in the weekly time frame, we're in a bearish trend. That's it. That's from January. We have been in a bearish trend. So you'll see drop, rally, drop, rally, drop, rally, drop. Yeah, so it has been drop, rally formation, if you know demand and supply very well. But you can see that price entered this fair value gap and was quickly rejected, and that's what formed this doji candle on the weekly time frame, if you know what I mean. So we are expecting Usdjpy to continue going bearish until this area like that. Okay, so let me go to the daily time frame. So from Tuesday the 13th of May, we have been on a bearish trend. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 days straight bearish, 6 straight bearish days, and I'm expecting that it's also going to enter this particular zone. Don't forget, like over here, that's from here, we are in a bullish trend. That's from Tuesday the 22nd of April, we are in a short-term bullish trend, but overall in the higher time frame we're in a bearish trend. So if you have to buy Usdjpy, I'll be looking at this particular order block. Okay, that's if this bullish trend has to be respected. I'm looking at this particular order block over here. But if we have to sell Usdjpy, then we should have started selling from yesterday and drawing it to these other days. So if I'm drawing my trend line, I'll begin from here like that, and to here like that. So let's see how today's candle is going to close. If it closes, if it forms a doji candle, that's good for us. Maybe we might see price tap into this zone like this before it starts buying to the upside, or price may continue to the downside. Okay, so today I took a trade on Usdjpy. I bought, but I'm not really sure of my buy. That's why I closed when I just made about some I think I made about 20 pips profit. I closed my trade because I don't really know what's going to happen. The market structure is still a little bit confusing, even though we're in a bearish trend. Okay, so I'll keep it simple within the daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, because from here we can see that on a short-term base we are in a bullish trend, and price hasn't yet broken this higher low here. Still in a bullish trend short term, but higher time frame we're in a bearish trend. Okay, so we're in a bullish trend. That's from Monday the 21st of April all the way to all the way to now. But in a more smaller time frame, we're in a bearish trend. We're in a short-term bearish trend. So we have to keep that in perspective and see what really wins in this market. Keep it like this. Okay, that's my bearish flag, or what you call bearish channel. Meanwhile, this is my bullish channel. So these are two channels that we're watching the market right now in the 4 hour time frame. Let's see which one is going to win. Like I said, I'm keeping my eyes on this particular zone as my strong buying zone. That's around here and also around here. However, short term we are bearish, but long term we are bullish. Then the higher time frame we're actually bearish. So we need to see strong price action and candlestick formation for us to know exactly what we are doing. Okay, but as you can clearly see, so let me put it like this. So these are my sell zones in the market, and you know, my buying zones are down here, but my sell zones are around here like that. Also here is my main sell zone. Okay, so this is my analysis on USDJPY. Of course, for now we don't have a trade on USDJPY because we need to see clear price action, and like I said, we are swing trading, no longer day trading. So we need to see clear price action. From there we can be able to know what to do with this particular pair. But like I said, I'm looking at price to do a breakout from these areas, then I'll know how to trade USDJPY. So I'll send the signals in a group if we see any clear price action. So with that said, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.